Page 6 here has a chance to be a little long, it looks like. So we'll see how long the video takes, and maybe I'll cut us off if needed. F of 1 plus I, so I'm putting 1 plus I in there. So I'm actually going to do this by synthetic, I believe. 1 plus I will go here. Coefficients: 1 is cubic, 0 is quadratic, 4 is linear, 0 is constant. Bring down the 1. Multiply, add, multiply, so 1 plus I times 1 plus I. Some of you can probably do this in your head. We get, multiply everything by 1, you get 1 plus I. Multiply everything by I, you get I plus I squared. So we have 1 and negative 1. So they're gone. I and I is 2I. And add 4 plus 2I, and now we have 4 plus 2I times 1 plus I. So multiply by 4, 4 plus 4I. Multiply by 2I, 2I plus 2I squared. Remember, I squared is negative 1, so that's really a negative 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, and then we have 6I there. So we end up with 2 plus 6I. We add that to 0, and we still get 2 plus 6I. Which of the following is a factor? So again, I'm going to go the synthetic division route. 1, 4, negative 15, negative 18. And let's kind of go through here. As far as rational roots go, they're all possible because factors of 18 are plus and minus 1, plus and minus 2, plus and minus 3, and plus and minus 9. So they're all possible rational roots. I'm going to do the 1 here first because I can do that in my head. 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 15, minus 18, not a chance. So 9 will be my first one with synthetic. 1, 9, 13. Oh, that's getting large. That's 90, and 27 is 117. No go. However, I should have done negative 9, right? X plus 9 tells us negative 9. So that looks a little better now. Multiply, add, get negative 5, and now we get a positive 45, 30. Still too big. Too big, so that one's out. And then I'll do negative 3. Yeah, I'll erase. Erase. Negative 3. Multiply, we get negative 3, which gives us a 1. Multiply, we get negative 3 again, which gives us negative 18, and we get 54. So no go. So in this case, it is none of these. Never too fun when it's in none of these. You always second guess yourself. Which of the following is a root of that? Same deal. Same deal. 1, 2, negative 2, negative 6, negative 3. Again, I can plug 1 in my head. 1 plus 2 is 6. Minus 2 is 4. Minus 6 is negative 2, minus 3. No, 1's out. We'll start with 3 from the beginning. 1, 3, 5, 15, 13. Already getting too large. 3's out. I'm going to do negative 3 since I have a 3 here. 1, negative 3 makes this a negative 1. That makes that a 3, which makes that a 1, which makes that a negative 3, which makes that a 3. Oh, we were close. No go on the negative 3 either. So we're going to assume it's root 3, but we're going to actually do the root 3 to confirm. 1, 2, negative 2, negative 6, negative 3. 1, root 3, that's 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 times root 3 is 2 root 3 plus a root 3 and a root 3 make a 3. So we add these, we get 2 root 3 plus 1. Multiply. I'm going to change colors here because I'm a little crowded. 2 root 3 times root 3 is 6 plus root 3 times 1. 6 is crossed out. We're left with root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. There it is. Root 3 is the big winner. Solve. Well, 64 is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. That was 2 to the 6th. And that's being raised to the 2x. 32 was 2 to the 5th. So I know that 12x must equal 5. So x is 5 over 12. That would be C. Which of the following is true about the function y equals absolute value of x minus 3? Well, absolute values are those v-shaped guys. This one shifted to the right 3. So let's see what we got. Domain is all reals. Absolutely. Absolute values go left and right forever. That's true, but I'm going to make sure there's not more than one. I'm sure it would say select all that apply, but just for the heck of it, we're going to do this. X cannot equal 3. That's not true. I can have absolute value of 0. Definitely not. The range is greater than 3. Well, this shifted right 3, not up 3. So the range is greater than or equal to 0. And yeah, we just said what the range was, so it's not that one. So certainly is B and only B. So if f of x equals that and g of x equals that, find g of f of 4. So f of 4 is where I'm going to start. And f of 4 is 4 cubed. 4 cubed, 1664. So f of 4 is 64, so I need to find g of 64. That's 1 over 64 minus 3, which is 1 over 61. And that was a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. We'll be on to page 8, I guess, in a jiffy.